Hello, today I'm going to be going over the inventory management tool in the dealer portal section of your Dealer InSite website. So first thing you want to do is go to your website, go all the way to the bottom. There's a dealer portal button. Go ahead and click on that. Log in with your username, password, and your account information. And when you get in there, you can, this first button up here says current inventory. Go ahead and click on that. And a couple things here, real quick. You can click on this right here, and this will fix your headers to the top of the page. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Opens up another window. And as you can see, you have a fixed header up here. So we're just going to go through this real quick and show you some of the features and how it works. So a couple things. Obviously, this is your stock number. This right here, if you open it up, will open up the actual VDP that's on there. So we're going to leave that there for a second. Obviously, the VIN number and vehicle description. This way you can sort by VIN number. You can sort by vehicle description. So if you're pricing out certain cars, you can alphabetize them here. You can sort by stock number. You can sort by new and used. This is helpful if you're placing used cars on your used car specials page, and then by price, etc. So we're going to go ahead and refresh that because I don't want any sorts. And so we're going to go from left to right. So we've got the vehicle description. This right here is your current image count. So you can quickly go down and see what your image count is on all your inventory. This is a video upload button. So if you have a video that's on your PC, and then of course I have a video that teaches you how to take a video on your cell phone and upload it to your VDP. But this particular one, you can, if you're on a PC, you can choose a file and upload that video directly onto that VDP. And what that looks like, and with this particular layout, is it appears right here, and then of course you can just play it from right there. So that uploads it directly to your VDP, and of course there's no iframes. This is all original video content that is attributable to that VDP. You can do the same thing with an image. If you just got in a car and you want to go ahead and get a couple images up on that vehicle really quickly, you can choose a file right here and put it up. It'll place it in the image bracket on that VDP right here. So it'll go in that image stack. New and used, obviously. Internet price. So we've got two prices here, and on the website we make a price up here, which is your MSRP, and then we whatever the difference is between these two, we create this price in the middle. So you can change this internet price by simply clicking on it, changing the number, and pressing check mark. Now what that's going to do is that's going to create a button over here that indicates that you have an override on this particular vehicle. You can remove the overrides by simply clicking that button, and then it'll default back to whatever's in the feed for that evening. So we're gonna go. Well, I guess we'll hit dealer incentives here. So this is a new car. Pre-owned specials will be there'll be a pre-owned button there that I'll go over here in just a second. So dealer incentives. So this is useful if you have a financing incentive that you've just come out with. Say you've got a bank that'll cut you out a $1,500 bill if you use their financing. You can come in here and put financing incentive, and then over here it's $1,500, and then a disclaimer. This is only if you work with this particular bank. So we'll go ahead and refresh that. So once you're done there, just save the incentive, and it'll apply to that particular vehicle. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to pick our own pre-owned specials. So we're going to go back to our dealer portal real quick. Let's see here. We'll go back to our dealer portal where we have all of our tools. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to pick pre-owned specials to put on your pre-owned page through the inventory management system. So if you go into settings, oops, I clicked the wrong thing there. If you go into settings, go to site, and then go over here to pre-owned specials. When you click this button, it will allow you to pick the vehicles that you want in your used car feed or in your used car specials page. When it's not checked, we kind of pick those for you based off of how long they've been in inventory, whatever sort criteria you want, we can pick them for you. But this simply, when it's clicked, allows you to pick your own used cars. So now what we want to do, once that's clicked, we want to go back to our inventory management page. And I'm going to click on this to fix my headers. Click on this little click here thing. And then we're gonna get all the used together. And so here's all my used cars. And I'm going to add a few of them to the specials page. So I just added these to the specials page. Now I'm going to go to our actual website. So this is Laguna Ford, which is our testing system. And what you're going to have to do in order to see these is you're going to have to open up a new window it's a fresh window. And go in here, and we're going to go to use specials. So this is our pre-owned specials. These are the cars that I just picked. So you can populate them with whatever cars you want. You can price them on the fly. These particular vehicles come out on the home page or anywhere you want. So it's just that easy. So let's see if I've gone over everything here. So if you want to remove them from specials, simply click the button. Obviously, this button right here, enable and disable. This disables the vehicle from being displayed on your website. So when that button is pressed, this particular vehicle is not showing up on your website anymore. This is useful if you have some pricing problems, or there's a problem with the price and you want to just fix the problem quickly. You can disable that vehicle. So that pretty much wraps it up. I have another video in this series that will show you how to use your iPhone to upload images straight from your iPhone and upload videos straight from your iPhone directly to your VDP.